Hi naturals, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscription button if you're new, and also on the notification button so you'll be notified on our future uploads. In today's video, I share a magic hair growth treatment. This treatment helps thicken thin hair, helps with stunted growth, balding, reduces split ends, stops shedding and breakage. Please don't miss this video for anything. Watch to the end to get all the instructions. So to begin, my very first ingredient is ginger. So I'm going to be making use of ginger roots, just a sizable one like so. So I'll go on ahead to peel off the back. Ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp. As a result, ginger stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair roots and follicles. Additionally, the many fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals present in ginger can strengthen hair strands, which prevents hair loss. The powerful antimicrobial and antiseptic properties of ginger keeps the scalp clean and thereby prevents dandruff. Consistent application of ginger oil, ginger juice, ginger tea on your scalp and also massaging it can keep you dandruff free. So after peeling and rinsing that properly, here is what I have. I will go ahead and grate it using the smaller portion on my grater. So I'll grate and grate until I exhaust all the ginger that I peeled. Moving on, I grabbed a clean pot like so. After grating my ginger, grab a clean pot like so. Make sure the pot is clean and free from oils. So I transfer the grated ginger in it. Moving on to my next ingredient, I have rose petals. We are going to be using dried rose petals for this recipe. So I'll go on ahead to measure out 2 tablespoons of rose petals into our grated ginger. Rose petals serve as a natural cleanser and conditioner for your hair and scalp. They are natural storehouses of antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that nourish your scalp and promote the growth of healthy hair. They deeply moisturize your hair and prevent the breakout of scalp acne and much dreaded dandruff. Moving on to my next ingredient, I've got hibiscus. We are going to be using hibiscus flowers, basically dried hibiscus flowers for this recipe. For the proportion, I measured out a teaspoon of hibiscus flowers into that. You already know how we rave about hibiscus on this channel, and you already know the benefits. I added about 50 cl worth of hot water into that. Next, I lit my stove and then place the pot on it so that it can boil. Just once this starts boiling, turn off the heat and bring this to brewing. Let it brew for about 12 hours before you sieve it. As soon as I checked and found out that it started boiling, I turned off my heat and allowed to brew for 12 hours. After 12 hours, here is our pot. I went ahead and sieved. For the sieving process, I made use of my strainer and a bowl to collect my filtrate. So here is what this looks like. Super moisturizing, super potent, very helpful for the hair and beneficial for hair. For my last ingredient for this recipe, we are going to be making use of vitamin E oil. 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. For those of you in Nigeria, you can get this in pharmacies. Those of you abroad, you can try your pharmacies or beauty supply stores near you. So here's what the vitamin E capsule looks like. So I cut that open with my scissors, my pair of scissors, and then I squeezed in the oil in my hair tea. So next I stir that to combine all the ingredients. The vitamin E oil in this will help with sleep. It will also help preserve this for a bit. Instead of 5 days, this is going to last for 1 week in the refrigerator. I normally tell you to preserve it for 5 days, and after 5 days it goes rancid, discard and make a fresh batch. But with this vitamin E oil in it, you can keep it for up to 1 week in the refrigerator. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate for you all how I use this for my hair benefits. First off, this is a leave-in spray. You can use it as a leave-in and you can also use it as a rinse out. Here in this video, I'm demonstrating it as a leave-in spray for my hair. So first off, I spray that section by section. Remember, I told you all to always work in sections whenever you're doing anything to your hair. No need to yank your hair all together or because you're working products in your hair. So after each section, I'll move over to the next section, sealing in with my hair growth oil. The hair growth oil used in this video, I had already shared the video. Please check a few posts away and you will see it. Can you spot the difference after the first section that I did? Look how moisturized and smooth that section is. That's to tell you how amazing this hairspray is. Go ahead and make yours, and I can't wait to hear your feedback. I see a lot of new people on this channel. Thank you so much. Welcome to Dima Okike, where we share natural recipes, because on this channel we believe that everything that grows out from the soil is a potential hair care product. They are 100% natural, free from harsh chemicals, and are great to use on natural and permed or relaxed hair. So feel free to explore natural ingredients. Some of you have been leaving comments for me in the comment sections of most of my recent videos. So I want to clear this out because you are new to this channel. I share a lot of recipes on weekly basis. That's because as you don't like one meal, you can also like the other meal. It is not possible for one person to like all the meals, so you just have your favorite. Same thing applicable to your natural hair or your permed hair. Your hair may not like some ingredients, they may like the other ingredients. The thing that I so much love about natural ingredients is that whether your hair likes it or not, they can't damage your hair. That's one truth that is bitter that I have to tell you. Your hair can never get damaged with natural ingredients. No matter how many you use per time, no matter how you use it, they can never damage your hair. That's why I tell you that they are 100% natural and they are free from harsh chemicals. The only time you have problems with them is when you use them wrongly. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to drop your questions in the comments below and I'll be right there to answer you all. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Remember to leave me a comment if you got to this point. Say hi for me in the comment section below. And I will see you in my next one shortly.